We have an unboxing today, yay! Okay, so in here we have goodies from our friends at 7th Floor Yarns, yay! Okay, so 7th Floor Yarns, I know we've had an unboxing from them before, but it was so popular, we had to get more. So what do we have here? Okay, so we have a couple different things we didn't have last time. Again, the yarn boxes are back. So this is the candlelight, and then we also got the winter fun, and we got the red maple ones. And our boxes that we ordered from them have lids. So here's the inside lid, here's the outside of the lid. And then the yarn box itself has like the little hook to stick in your yarn. And then also it's got needle gauges on two sides with US sizes. They go from size 0, which is 2 millimeters, all the way up to size 19, which is 15 millimeters. And then on the bottom of side number 4 is a little ruler. So you got a little gauge going. And then we don't have to look at all of the boxes because they're the same as the last time. But new that we got this time, I think are in here. Oh, these, okay, we also got a restock of the 2-inch gauges, so you can have your own little gauge finder and carry it with you wherever you go. So we got those in the candlelight and in the ruby plank maple, I think it's called. It's like the darker, and then they put our logo on. Yay! And then, okay, so here is, I got 2 of each colorway, 2 of each style of box from them this time instead of just 1 because they flew out of here. This is the darker brown. And I will have these up on our website later today. And it's already 2:15, so really later today. Okay, so there's those. What else is in this box? Oh, yes. Okay, good. Something new product. So this is cool. This is, oh, this is cool. Oh, so this is like a gauge. Look, so it's like your 2-inch square gauge here, and then your needle gauge attached. So this is a sample that they sent. Ooh, super cool. So these would retail here for $18, and it's got like a little ball chain thing in pink, so you can hang it to your stuff, or you can have this be your keychain, so like you'll never lose your keys again. Okay, so there's that. That's box number 1. And I know like they said 3 boxes, but they had them all taped together, which makes it kind of fun. Okay, so now we're gonna open box number 2. It's funny, I hadn't done an unboxing video for a while, and then of course the one that I do is the company that we've unboxed before. Oh, and then this is the white. This is the winter fun. For those who's forgotten what it looks like. And they're wrapped very well. See, here it is on the white. And I like the winter fun ones because the inside, like the wood that you see when it gets cut on the laser cutter, is dark. So it makes it really easy to read. And then what else is in here? Oh, yes. Okay. So then we got a restock of all the fun markers. So more cast on markers. These have numbers on them. And all the stitch markers I order from them have the light bulb shape safety, like knitter safety pin clips on, so you can use them for knitting or crochet. Because, you know, we celebrate all of the stitching here. So, and then of course there's more make one left, make one right sheet sticks, more beginning of round markers, beginning of round. That's what BOR is, for those of you wondering. And then this is more cast-ons, more beginning of rounds. I know I got some other ones. And of course now they're all falling on the floor. So it goes, oh yeah, more right side, wrong sides. That's always helpful. And oh yes, okay, this is fun. And then this time also, we got some of these Kitchener stitch sheety ones. So like a little Kitchener stitch sheet keychain, so you can stick it on your notions bag or in your notions box, however you want. But it's nice because it's got all the instructions on, superimposed over a photo. Like, it's really pale. What is in the picture? Oh, it's knitting that's in the picture. I think it's knitting in the picture. It looks like it's knitting in the picture. But the main thing is that you can read the instructions. Oh, and the back of it says 7th floor yarn. Because those are the folks who make them. And that is what we got. I think that's what we got. I should open the other box just to be sure it's not just repeats. I love getting new stuff. It's always fun. It's like Christmas, but not Christmas because it's June. Okay. Oh, yes. I knew I was missing something. These are new. These are new. So these are not just crazy ruler paddles. These are sock rulers. So when you're making a sock, you can stick it on here and see how long it is. So there's a curved end for your toe or for your heel, depending on if you are doing top down or bottom up socks. If you are doing bottom up socks, you'll complete your heel before your toe. So you can just shove this in and see how long it is. You can stick it down the leg, see how long your leg is. But these will come in really handy. So, and I got I think I got just three of them. And they'd say 7th floor yarn on the back, which again is the company that makes them. And 7th floor yarn is a family operation. They're in upstate New York and Rochester, I think. Should check the return list, but yes. But they are lovely, and these are so cool. Okay, guys, I think we've got one more box to open. Here we go. And I've got a mess. And then, let's see. I know, things here at the shop are a lot of fun. It's been crazy lately, and I don't know about how it is in your neck of the woods, but here on July 1st, our Maryland State and Baltimore City, this is fun. Oh yeah, here we go. So I got these that say, crocheting is my jam. And they're progress keepers. So, you know, like when you crochet, you have like an active stitch and you clip this on. And then the other one is, will crochet for wine. So, oh yeah, so July 1st here, Maryland is lifting its state of emergency for COVID, and our mayor in Baltimore City is doing the same. So that means that masks will be optional in the store, which is great because we are beginning our return to in-person get-togethers and events, which is fabulous. I love seeing everyone in person. We still will keep our YouTube channel going. And in fact, I just made a new cowl that we'll be doing like a knit along for, and I'm in the middle of posting the pattern to Ravelry right now. But lots of stuff going on here, and you can always see what's new here at Lovely Yarns when you go to our website, lovelyyarns.com. Oh, so these progress keepers say hookers need love too. I just thought they were so cute, I had to get them. Because there's not, you know, there's not always a lot of stuff for crocheters. And I just thought they were so cute. See, these are more of the crocheting is my jam. And then these, oh, more of the 2-inch gauges. See, look, I even forgot what I ordered. So these are the white ones. Helps with the right setup. Perfect for doing your gauge on the go. Okay. And the last couple of boxes, what's in this one? Oh, yes. And then these are hearts that say, I heart crochet. super cute. So I will have all of these available for purchase on our website later today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and happy stitching.